If you're on a creator's account on Instagram or even a business account and you're wondering how can you switch back to a personal account, you are in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that. All you need to do is to follow carefully with me till the very end of this video and you'll learn exactly how. So let's jump right into it. First, we need to get something out of the way. We need to go to your Play Store or App Store. Why? We need to update your app to the latest version available for this process to go smoothly and for this tutorial to work as good as possible. Once you're done updating your app, you can finally quit the store. Go ahead and open Instagram now. From here, make sure you are logged into your account and then go to your profile by tapping the profile picture in the bottom right corner right here. Once in your profile, as you can see here, I'm on a professional account, a creator's account. To switch back to personal, tap on the three lines in the top right corner of the screen right here. A menu will pop up from the bottom of the screen. Go ahead and tap on settings at the very top of these options right there. So it's settings and privacy. Once you are in your settings, all you need to do is to tap on creator tools and controls right here. And then tap on switch account type. A menu will pop up from the bottom, a small one. If you want to switch to a business account, tap the first one. And we want to switch to a personal account, so tap on the second one. From here, tap again on switch to personal account, but watch out because some things might be deleted forever, like the ads you're running on your professional account. If you're sure about your decision, go ahead and tap on switch to personal account and wait for a couple of seconds. Just like that, you have switched to a personal account. One thing you have to keep in mind is once you go back to a personal account, if you are in a private account, it's gonna be public. So go ahead and tap on account privacy and then turn this on if you want to be on a private account on your personal account on Instagram. And that is pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. Please like and comment down below. Leave your questions in the comment section and I'll try to answer every single one of them. Of course, don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thank you very much for watching.